Okay, so I created this burger flyer and now I want to export it. So in this video, I will show you how you can export your Canva project immediately. Click on the top right corner. Here you have 8 options. We just want to download this file. We don't want to share it, we just want to download it. So click on download. Now you have the option to choose your file type. You can choose between JPEG, PNG, PDF, SVG, MP4 and GIF. So I just have a flyer without any animations, so I just want to use the PNG file. Now you can choose your resolution of the project. So all the elements need to have a good resolution, otherwise it doesn't matter if you increase to 4K, for example. So choose one, and here you can limit your file size if you have any limitations. For example, to send it to anyone, and there is a size limit. Those two are not relevant for us right now, so we want to export it in the best possible quality. Here you can choose what pages you want to download. If you want to download more than one page, just click on all the pages you want to download. If you just want to export one project, for example, this one, you click on the page number 1. You can save the settings for the future project and click on download now. On the right corner, you can see that the PNG file is downloading, and here you can open it immediately after the download. So this is now in the PNG file. I hope this tutorial helped you, and on the right you can see the next Canva tutorial for your Canva journey.